running multiple companies in Odoo, but every team is stuck using the same CRM stages, even when their sales process is completely different. That confusion ends today. This is Multi-Company CRM Stage Manager by Ahex Technologies. Let's see exactly how it works.
Hi all, in this video we are just going to see how we have implemented the multi-company stages. So actually the defaultly how the Odoo works means, so even if you are multi-companies, the stages of the CRM will be same across all the companies. But here we have created a custom module as custom changes, where we have created a module where we can create a stages separately for each companies. So just I'm going to the CRM. This is for industrial automation as well. For testing purpose, we have created it. It is having the 4 stages. Let me switch over to another company. Just see the stages. See the stages is changing 5 to 6. So we have done this changes. So it will be changing for the another company also. See again the company has mentioned. How we are doing this means, how we need to do means in the configurations levels. I have created a stages which is by default. So here we are giving the option to select the company. So just we need to create a new, and just we need to select which company you need. Once you select it, it will automatically it will have based upon this we will be seeing in the pipelines. See, these are the multi-company stages, multi-stages for multi-companies. So just we need to, in the stages level, just we need to configure which stages need for which company. That's it, it automatically comes. This is an overview of the
One Odoo database, multiple companies, each with a pipeline that actually fits how they sell. No mismatched stages, no cluttered reporting, no confusion. Multi-Company CRM Stage Manager is available now on the Odoo App Store. Built by Ahex Technologies, visit ahex.co to explore more Odoo plugins and implementation services.